Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we want to present about the project that we conduct in this course. Our field is data center network and the company name is Security United. This is under BAXZ3363 Network Security Project Management. So this is my group member. My name is Muhammad Arif Sandar bin Ahmad Fauzi. And we have Adam Wafil Saini, Ammar Firdaus, and us.
Our company's name is Security Unity. Security Unity is a data center network service provider that provide a secure and reliable infrastructure solutions under Mr. Faris with other expert team. So the company provides industry level networking, data protection and real-time monitoring to ensure maximum output and performance. With a strong focus on innovation, scalability, and operational excellence within all of our projects, we empower clients to grow confident in using technology and data-driven environment. So the company's mission is to empower organization through secure, resilient, and intelligent network infrastructures that protect data and enable digital growth for the future. So, and our vision is to ensure zero downtime, full compliance, and proactive monitoring with up-to-date system, which means our system will keep up to date, ensuring that there are no threat for the infrastructure. Introducing our company's organizational chart. So we got CEO, which is Mr. Faris, and under Mr. Faris there are three main manager, which is HR manager Mr. Alim, data center director Mr. Adam, which will work close on the network infrastructure, and finance manager Miss Zoe. So under Mr. Adam, which is our data center director, there are 5 teams, which is network operation team, server and system team, security and compliance team, facilities and infrastructure team, support and monitoring team. And on each team, there will be 3 expertise or specialists, which they have their own task.
Okay, now the purpose of the company is number one, deliver secure, scalable, and high availability data center solutions that meet the evolving needs of modern enterprise. Number two, ensure uninterrupted network connectivity, optimal server performance, and robust data protection for our clients. Number three, maintain full compliance with industry standards while driving operational excellence through our highly skilled network management and support teams. Number four, empower digital transformation by providing seamless cloud integration and comprehensive disaster recovery solutions to safeguard business continuity.
In our company, there is five main services, which is server and system management. Second, facilities and infrastructure. Third, support and monitoring. Fourth is security and compliance. Lastly, network operation.
Okay, for the security solution, the objective is integrate secure high-performance network service into the client's existing ICT infrastructure to enhance the data protection, system reliability, and operational continuity. Security framework: Zero Trust Network Architecture. Restrict unauthorized access and verify every device and user. Firewall and IDS IPS. We are using Palo Alto firewalls with continuous intrusion detection and prevention. Data encryption and access control. TLS and SSL encryption and multi-factor authentication. Next, network integration. VLAN segmentation for warehouse, transport and finance departments. VPNs tunnels connecting 5 distribution hubs for secure communication. Arista-Core, we using Arista-Core switch for fast reliability connectivity. Redundant links and centralized NOC monitoring via SIEM tools. Next, server and cloud synergy. Virtualization, VMware or Hyper-V for efficient server management. Integrate cloud backup and disaster recovery system.
Strategies in buying hardware or software. First is hardware or software compatibility assessment. Before purchasing, the needs and the compatibility of the hardware or software needs to be assessed first. This is important as the client infrastructure might not be compatible with most of things. So the steps are, firstly, you need to identify the current systems. Next, check the compatibility with the client's infrastructures. And lastly, you need to ensure new equipment integrates smoothly. Second is vendor comparison and cost analysis. We compare products from multiple vendors to select items that provide enterprise level performance at the best value. So the steps for the second point is, firstly, you need to request quotations from multiple suppliers. Next, you need to analyze the total cost of ownership, TCO. And lastly, select vendors with reliable post-sales technical support. Okay, so for the third point is security and reliability evaluation. We only choose hardware and software that meet industry security standards and have proven reliability. Okay, for the third point is, firstly, you need to verify that products are certified. Secondly, check for regular firmware updates and patch support. And lastly, ensure that the vendor has a strong record of cyber resilience. Okay, so lastly is scalability and future upgradability. Our purchase focus on long-term scalability, allowing the data center network to grow with future needs. The steps are, you need to select modular device and expandable storage systems. Next, choose software license that support version upgrades and additional modules. And lastly, ensure flexibility to integrate with cloud-based security tools later on.
So we continue with work breakdown structure, WBS. For the phase 1, which is the initiation. Initiation phase is where we understand the problem, define the main goal, and get approval to start project. The total cost for this phase is 5,808 ringgit Malaysia. For the phase 2, planning phase. Planning phase is where we plan everything needed for the project so execution runs smoothly. The total cost for this phase is 5,032 ringgit Malaysia. For the phase 3, execution phase is where we carry out the planned tasks and build the project deliverables. The total cost for this phase is 84,192 ringgit Malaysia. For the phase 4, controlling. Controlling phase is where we monitor progress, quality, cost, and make sure the project follow the plan. The total cost is 23,268 ringgit Malaysia. And for the phase 5, closing. Closing phase is where we finalize everything, review the work, and officially close the project. The total cost for the closing phase is 2,659 ringgit and 20 cents. Next, we move on to the network diagram. So this is our network diagram for phase 1, initiation phase. For the initiation phase, the first task is to define the project goal. Second, identify stakeholders. Third, define scope and budget. Fourth, network assessment. And finally, proposal preparation. Next, this is our phase 2 planning network diagram. For the phase 2, the first task is resource planning. Second, project scheduling. Third, risk management. Fourth, network design. Fifth, cost estimation. And finally, policy and documentation. For the phase 3, execution, this is our network diagram. In the phase 3, we have the first task, procurement. Second, device configuration. Third, system setup. Fourth, testing and validation. Fifth, staff training. And finally, documentation. For the phase 4 controlling, this is our network diagram. For this phase, we have 5 different tasks. The first one is progress monitoring. Second, cost tracking. Third, scope management. Fourth, quality control. And finally, status reporting. And finally, for phase 5, closing, this is our network diagram. For the closing phase, we have 5 different tasks. First, final testing. Second, documentation handover. Third, project review. Fourth, final meeting. And finally, project closure. Finally, we move on to the Gantt chart. For the phase 1, initiation phase, this is our Gantt chart. For the phase 1, the resources involved are first, data center director, Mr. Adam. Second, finance manager, Mr. Zoe. Third, security analyst, Ms. Min. For the phase 2, planning phase, this is our Gantt chart. For this phase, resources involved are human resources manager, Mr. Alim. Second, data center director, Mr. Adam. Third, security analyst, Ms. Min. Fourth, faculties and infrastructure team, Mr. Chu. Fifth, finance manager, Ms. Zoe. And sixth, compliance officer, Ms. Alex. For the phase 3, execution phase, this is our Gantt chart. For this phase, resources involved are first, hardware engineer, Mr. Jim. Second, network engineer, Mr. Firaus. Third, server and system team, Mr. John. Network operation team, Mr. Lim. Fifth, human resource manager, Mr. Alim. Sixth, help desk and support engineer, Ms. Alia. For the material involved is first firewall, the hardware. Second, firewall software. Third, router. Fourth, switch. Fifth, IDS. And sixth, cables. For the phase 4, controlling, this is our Gantt chart. Resources involved in this phase are first, data center director, Mr. Adam. Second, finance manager, Ms. Zoe. Third, system administrator, Mr. Rees. For the material, the first is firewall, the hardware. Second, the firewall software. Third, router. Fourth, switch. And finally, fifth, the IDS. Finally, for phase 5, closing phase, this is our Gantt chart. Resources involved in this phase are first, data center director, Mr. Adam. Second, network operation center, Mr. Ali. Third, security and compliance team, Mr. Najib. And fourth, support and monitoring team, Ms. Alia. So that's all from our team for this presentation. Thank you for watching.